Picture this. It's early morning in a Tokyo park. A 92-year-old Japanese grandmother bends down and touches her toes with ease. No groaning, no holding on to something for balance, just smooth, fluid motion that would make someone half her age jealous. Meanwhile, in many Western countries, people in their 60s struggle just to put on socks without sitting down. So, what's the secret here? Scientists at Tohoku University uncovered something remarkable. They found that 78% of Japanese people over 80 can still sit on the floor and stand up without using their hands. Compare that to just 9% of Americans the same age. And here's the surprising part. These elders weren't taking supplements. They weren't going to yoga classes. They weren't even exercising in the way we usually think of it. Instead, they were doing a few simple bedtime movements that trigger something called nocturnal synovial regeneration. Basically, their joints were rebuilding themselves while they slept. The results? Joint fluid increased by 43%. Morning stiffness dropped by 71%. Flexibility improved by nearly 90%. Even their inflammation markers looked like people in their 40s, not their 80s. And the best part? It takes just 12 minutes before bed. No equipment, no gym, no complicated routines. Today, I'll show you the 5 most powerful movements Japanese elders swear by. Do these every night and your body could feel years younger. Before we get into these movements, share with us in the comments your age and where you're watching from. We read and reply to every single one. Now, let's get started with the first movement. The seated forward fold, often called the nightly reset, may look simple, but it lays the foundation for everything else. You sit on the floor with your legs stretched straight out in front of you. For many Western adults, that alone is unusual. Keep your spine tall, as though a string were gently pulling the crown of your head upward. Then slowly walk your hands forward along your legs. Don't force it, don't bounce, just breathe and let gravity guide you. Researchers at Kyoto Medical Center found that when held for 2 to 3 minutes, this position triggers what's known as a myofascial release. That means the tight connective tissue around your muscles begins to soften and reorganize itself. In a 6-month study of people over 65, those who practiced this stretch nightly increased their forward reach by more than 4 inches. More importantly, their back pain scores dropped by over 50%. The key is timing. At bedtime, your body temperature naturally falls, making your muscles more pliable, like warm taffy compared to cold. That's when you want to hold the position, breathing deeply into your belly, letting each exhale take you a little deeper. Japanese elders often add a folded blanket under their sitting bones for comfort. They know it's about ease, not perfection. At first, you may only reach your knees. 2 weeks later, you'll touch your shins. A month later, perhaps your ankles. The body adapts naturally when you practice consistently. Next comes the lying spinal twist, or what some elders call the ninja pose. At first glance, it looks like you're doing nothing. You're simply lying on your back, knees bent, arms stretched out like a T. Let your knees fall to one side while keeping your shoulders pressed into the floor. Hold for 90 seconds, then switch sides. Simple, but inside, something profound is happening. Researchers at the Tokyo Institute of Gerontology discovered that this twist decompresses the spine, gently creating space between the vertebrae. Over time, this improves not just flexibility, but real-world movement. After 3 months of nightly practice, elders reported that everyday tasks, like checking blind spots while driving or reaching into the back seat, became 35% easier. Breathing into the stretched side of your ribcage enhances the effect, expanding your torso like a balloon and releasing muscles that years of shallow breathing have locked tight. Then comes the cat-cow flow, or what many call the spine's oil change. You begin on your hands and knees, moving with your breath. As you inhale, your belly drops and your chest lifts into cow pose. As you exhale, your spine rounds like a stretching cat. Flowing back and forth for 2 minutes creates a wave-like rhythm that unlocks the spine. Osaka University researchers found this simple sequence increases spinal fluid circulation by 38%. That circulation helps flush away waste, reduce stiffness, and even improve brain health. Elders who practiced nightly reported 67% less morning stiffness, better balance, and even deeper, more restful sleep. After that comes ankle and hip circles. Sitting on your bed, you rotate one ankle 10 times clockwise, then 10 times counterclockwise before switching sides. It feels simple, but it's powerful. Your ankles are small but complex joints, and most people lose 70% of their mobility without noticing. That loss contributes to falls, knee pain, and hip stiffness. In one study, elders who practiced ankle circles nightly had 73% fewer falls and far less knee pain. Adding gentle hip circles while lying down multiplies the benefit, keeping hips lubricated and mobile in all directions, not just back and forth. Finally, we reach the most powerful movement of all, wall legs elevation. You lie on your back near a wall and extend your legs upward, holding the position for 3 to 5 minutes. That's it. Yet this single movement dramatically boosts synovial fluid in the joints, improves spinal hydration, and drains swelling from the legs. Japanese elders who practiced nightly reported 64% less morning pain and slept better thanks to fewer bathroom trips at night. The secret lies in gravity. With your legs elevated, lymphatic fluid drains back into your core, inflammation clears, and your spine decompresses. Altogether, these 5 movements take just 12 minutes, but their effects can last for decades. Japanese elders don't see this as exercise, they see it as nightly body maintenance, as essential as brushing their teeth. With consistency, these movements can transform stiffness into freedom, pain into comfort, and age into just another number. So tonight, take 12 minutes and try them yourself. In 3 months, you'll notice a difference. In 6 months, you'll feel years younger. And in a year, you may be the one surprising your friends with how flexible and youthful you've become. Now tell us, what's the one daily movement that's become hardest for you over the years? Is it getting up from the floor, reaching behind your back, or simply turning your head while driving? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We love reading your stories.